When I first learned how to throw pottery on the wheel 18 years ago, I was taught how to wedge the clay using ram's head method. I'm going to demonstrate and walk you through this technique. Why do we wedge? Wedging preps the clay for wheel throwing. It's a type of conditioning aligning all clay particle platelets in a spiral, all ready to be spun on a wheel. The objective here is to squeeze and push the clay methodically in the shape of a ram's head. You start by pushing the clay down and forward, away from your body. You keep doing this over and over again, curling the clay back into itself on the sides. Then roll and turn it on its side. Now it's ready for the wheel. Let's try it again. You start by pushing the clay down and forward, away from you. Down and forward, away from your body. Down and forward. You cup the ends of the clay ball in your hands like handles. These are the ram's head horns. Hold on to them well with each push down and forward, down and forward, down and forward. After about 3 minutes for fresh clay or 10 minutes for recycled clay, roll your spiraled clay and turn it on its side. The magic is done. Your clay is now ready for wheel throwing.